No be only for gate Musa dey see something o. Musa don see shege for Hadiza Gabon hand. Hadiza Gabon na popular Kaniwood Hausa actress wey get one pikin wey dem put for her care, but we hear say she never marry before.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you
Bala Musa, who we hear say na civil servant wey dey live for Gozo, don carry Hadiza Gabon go court sake of say the popular Nigerian actress refuse to marry am after spending 396,000 naira on top the woman. No be small gbege shele for court when the man begin to tell the court how im dey give Hadiza money every time she need money. The 48-year-old Zamfara man tok say the thing wey pain am pass na when Hadiza promise to visit am for Gozo and the woman no come show face. Who know whether the man go don take wantage dey prepare for home match between Nigeria and Brazil. Body wey dey gather tori for our country wey be news agency of Nigeria sef confirm say Hadiza no gree show face for court on the 23rd of last month, even when dem don serve am paper say make she appear. Na the second time wey court dey talk about the matter be dis, and Hadiza no still show for court. Im lawyer wey be Mubarak Kabir tok say im client na celebrity wey no dey waka anyhow for security reason. But we no sure whether security no matter when im dey collect money o. The lawyer say make court give am more time wey e go take produce im client for court. Justice Rilwan don adjourn the case till June 13. In case una no dey familiar with Hadiza Gabon, im parents na Fulani but dem born am for Gabon wey come make am Gabonese Nigeria. She later waka come back Nigeria come join Hausa film industry wey dem dey call Kaniwood. The question wey I wan ask my viewers be say, if na you be Bala Musa, you fit carry woman go court sake of say she collect money from your hand and she no marry you? Abeg, drop your comment, we wan hear from you. If una enjoy dis gist, make una subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey come.